Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Teams for Concentrix Induction. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta make sure that you have Microsoft Teams installed on your PC, and then you can sign in using the email and password that was provided by Concentrix. And then you gotta open Teams and you can check calendar for induction meetings, and you can go to Teams for training groups or channels, and you can also go to chat for messages from trainers or HR. Then once there is a meeting, you're going to simply click on join in order to join the induction meeting. So you're going to simply click the meeting link from email or calendar, and once you click on join now, you'll be able to see a section like this. So you can turn your mic camera on or off as instructed, and then you can simply click on join now. During meeting, you got to make sure that your status is available and you use the raise hand feature if needed. You can also submit assignments, files through chat or channels, and you got to test everything before session such as internet connection, headset, mic, camera, screen sharing if required. If Teams says organization not found or login fails, then you can contact your Concentrix HR for the account credentials. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.